We've got an interesting 1-hour programming of Business Morning for you today, Wednesday, the 5th of July. Everyone, welcome to the program. This is Business Morning Live on Channels Television, Nigeria's news leader. I am Bosi Namofai. Let's get started. What's in the news? The Central Bank of Nigeria and the Nigeria Communications Commission, two regulators, put joint hands together and sent Central Bank's Deputy Governor, Dr. Joseph Nnana, to head a new interim board of Etisalat Nigeria as the chairman of the telecommunications company, to oversee the settlement of controversial multi-million-dollar loan. Also, we have a new chief executive officer and chief financial officer of Etisalat, who are also appointed as part of interim restructuring. Meantime, Nigerian shareholders of Etisalat are searching for new investors. That could be foreign. It could also be local, to replace the withdrawing investor and brand owner, the Etisalat of Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates. This is a story trending all yesterday and is all over the social media. Join the conversation. Meantime, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission secured an order of a federal high court sitting in Abuja to seize the sum of $500 million naira and another $500,000, which is said were part of the Paris Club refunds linked to Zamfara State Governor Abdulaziz Yari, who is also the chairman of the Nigeria Governors Forum. According to reports, it says that the money is being recovered from Governor Yariwa in two organizations, First Generation Mortgage Bank Limited and another company by the name Gosh Projects Limited. The Anti-Graft Commission is accusing the governor of Zamfara State of diverting monies from the Nigeria Governors Forum bank account into personal use. He is accused of spending part of this money to build a mega hotel hospitality business in Lagos. Part of the money, according to the EFCC, were also diverted into the purchase of government treasury bills, and part of the money squirreled away into offshore accounts. That's in the news this morning. Check it out. Let's get to the markets. Okay, I got a second day of a negative landing for the equities market. We lost 126 billion naira on Tuesday. The market was down 1.1%. We lost 1.05% on Monday. That's about 2.1% since the month of July started. A bit of profit taking by investors, local and foreign, looking at the markets. We're now down below the 33,000 index level. Year to date, Nigeria's stock market is still one of the best in the world and in Africa, riding the rest of the global markets. We're still around 20% in the green since the 1st of January 2017 today. So don't get too much worried about where we are at the moment. But we lost the market cap of 11.3 trillion naira. The banking sector was most hit yesterday, 2.26%, on the news going around that the central bank is bringing a deputy governor to head the Etisalat Nigeria, trying to resolve the multi-million-dollar debt owed to 13 commercial banks. Consumer goods lost 1.16%. Industrial goods was a flat 0.01%. The insurance, about 0.1% in sympathy with their cousins, the banks. Meantime, the oil and gas lost 1.05%. The unlisted securities market, let's move on. The NASD OTC market was in sympathy with the bigger stock market, down by a massive 2.89%. That's a very heavy haircut for this very small market, despite a very decent trading Tuesday. The index, the USI, down to 654. The market cap finished at 443.24 billion naira, 1.2 million transactions in terms of share, in terms of unlisted securities that were traded on Tuesday on the NASD. That's quite an interesting figure. That's much, much better than what you did on Monday. But the market was a little bit bloody across board. The NSE to the NASD. And of course, we landing in the fixed income markets. And this is what the top trades look like via the FMDQ OTC Securities Exchange. Starting with the ABN bonds, a bit of a lackluster Tuesday. That's continuing from Monday. Trading. The most active was the 22nd January 2026 government bonds, 1.1 billion, 11 transactions. In total, just about 2.9 billion naira. That's quite a very lukewarm Tuesday for the FGN bonds via the FMDQ OTC Securities Exchange. Flip that over to the Treasury bills and you see a very active trading day. The most active and the most actively traded Treasury bills were the 20th of July 2017 and 31st of August 2017 maturing bills at discount highs of 17.25 and 17.9. Look at the deals on the top right corner, far 121 deals and 103. In total, 156.68 billion naira was the total transactions in that space for the Treasury bills market. Very aggressive. Thursday, tomorrow, we're looking at 120 billion naira maturity of open market operations. We'll see what the central bank will do as far as to mop up a bit of that liquidity tomorrow. Yesterday was an open auction. That was it. 35 billion. Very small. Okay.